multiple means of representation, proactively planning for key vocabulary, providing options for language in symbols.
Question to both of you, do you think it's more advantageous, because I did this in Lexi's class, I provided more of a definition per se, so they didn't have to go out to look for it, but then they put it in their own words for the sentence portion.
Then the definition will all be the same for all
So that'll be
kids,
consistent, and then the picture, if they have time, they can have the picture.
Provide options for comprehension.
We are going to move into our second learning intention today. We're going to do some work with learning some vocabulary that goes along with social issues. So your job right now is to go into your Google Classroom.
Utilizing Google Classroom and Google Docs allows for customization and accessibility. For example, this may include speech to text, text to speech, enlarged text. Utilizing an online graphic organizer also helps students with executive functioning issues remain organized and helps them keep up with their materials.
Word choice they use and the way they arrange their words. So that's kind of their voice coming through in the paper, and it also could be taken as an opinion. Like an opinion someone uses is also their voice.
Okay, what would a sentence be that you use the word subjective? Does anyone have an example?
His subjective tone was stronger than normal.
In a debate? Well, that's subjective.
Is in your groups, write down any words you think of when it comes to social societal issues. Have one person from your group go grab some markers from the back table, and then you can all be writing at the same time. And these envelopes are more words that could go with social issues. What you have to decide with your group, you're going to lay out all these words and you're going to say, yes, I think we should add this to our poster. It has to, or you say, no, I don't think this has to do with the social issue.
What do you mean? That's a good
What about how you look? Like people are judging you on how you look. What about name calling? I know, right? We did relive it. It was that with the color. Yeah. Bullying goes along together because sometimes people who are especially popular kind of rule this.
And that kind of has to do with power too.
So each of you have a packet with song lyrics. We're going to take a look at each one of these songs, and you are going to pick out the words that go with this social issue. So if you see words in these songs, you write them on your poster. We're going to do the first one together. As you listen, you can either circle it on your lyrics sheet or just go ahead and write this on your poster. Okay, so any words that pop up to add to your social issues list poster receives today.
5 minutes, that's how you win. We will find the way, but let us seize the day. Courage cannot erase a feat, too proud to hide, it's safe to now is the
used for social issues all throughout history. Like one of the reasons why artists even use songs or create songs is just because they want to prove a point and they want to get their message out and they want to get their voices heard. So what you're going to do now is you're going to pick, there's 4 songs, pick which one in your group is going to be responsible for which song, and then you're going to listen to it on Google Classroom. So you'll see like right here, the one for the 2000s is Society by Eddie Vedder. For the 1990s is Mr. Wendell or by Arrested Development. So decide in your group who's going to do the 2000s, 90s, 80s, 70s.
Also be listening for a message or a theme in your song. So think about, maybe there isn't a key word, but maybe there's a message or a theme that might be a social issue. And be prepared to kind of bring some of that information back in a few minutes.
Then what you're going to share is what was the lesson or what was the social issue that the song was about. And you can even talk about the words that were used to lead you to that social issue. And then once everyone goes around, then talk about what were some common themes or similarities you noticed, or what was different between each of the songs. All right, go ahead.
And I think it's trying to play, because it says a lot, when you think more than you want, your thoughts begin to bleed, and when you want more than you can, I think you need. Like, I feel like it's saying, if you have too much, like, you always think you want more. Yeah, you think you want more, even though, yeah, like you're great. You should be grateful for what you already have.
There was one song, so like their song, it was like about how, like what's happening to like the environment and like how money and stuff. And
I think like all of them were power, and then seize the day.
Power,
They was them trying to fight the power.
yeah.